The Deputy Secretary General of the ONWR, Mr. Samreung Sangpoo-wong, who chaired the Ad Hoc Crisis Center, said on Monday that Thailand is currently experiencing less rain as there has been no risk of heavy rain in the past 24 hours. However, Thailand's upper region is still expected to see thunderstorms and gusty winds, while some areas may again experience heavy rain. Mr. Samreung said that the ONWR is particularly concerned about dams with current water storage lower than 30% of their capacity, meaning people in related areas may have problems after the rainy season ends. He added that the ONWR has already reviewed the water storage criteria for reservoirs in the central region and in the north, and agreed to increase the surveillance level to 95% of capacity from 8%, while assigning relevant agencies to list all dams with current storage of less than 60% in a bid to help devise an artificial rain-making plan.